Real quick, I want to talk about false official statements because I've seen cases where, the government, the prosecutor, law enforcement, can't get the individual on, the main offense, but they get the individual on, the false official statement. I actually had a case like this many, many years ago when I was active duty where, that person was accused of being, an accomplice and also charged with false official statement. We went to trial, went to court martial, and he was found not guilty of the main offense, but he was found guilty of the false official statement. And the reason was because he provided an interview, and after about an hour or two, he provided an interview and he maintained his position. Hey, I didn't see it. And then after about an hour or two of, questioning, he said, okay, I did see it. So we beat the main charge, but then we got a guilty on the false official statement because they played the interview, and you could clearly see on the interview that he said he didn't see it. And then he changed his position and said, okay, I did see it. So the jury, the members, the panel, they believe that the prosecution met their burden in proving that my client was guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of the false official statement. That's why it's imperative, and that's why it's advised that you invoke your right to remain silent. You request to speak to an attorney, and you don't make any statements because of situations like that. For example, if I ask what you did, 2 Saturdays ago, if I ask you that for the next hour or two, there's going to be variations in your story. Not because you're trying to lie to me, but because you're forgetting things or you remember things after a while or more questioning. So that's a situation. It's always beneficial to invoke your right to remain silent and to request to speak to an attorney. Like, follow, share, take care.